Welcome all of you. Today we discuss about the topic introduction to the GIS software. In this topic we discuss about the what is mean by GIS and also their different softwares. In this topic, in case of software, GIS software, we discuss or we just see which are the softwares or these softwares developed by which company, which scientists, and these different softwares are also including which programs like Windows. Uh, uh, Also, we discuss about the uh, someone GIS softwares which are useful in agriculture. So just enlisted or just see which are the GIS softwares. म्हणजेच या टॉपिकमध्ये आपण काय शिकणार आहे जी आय एसचं मिनिंग काय आहे आणि जी आय एसचे वेगवेगळे सॉफ्टवेअर कोणते आहेत. तर या टॉपिकमध्ये आपल्याला फक्त जी आय एसचे सॉफ्टवेअर कोणकोणते आहेत हे फक्त आपण इनलिस्टेड करणार आहे किंवा ते फक्त त्याची ओळख म्हणून फक्त आपण ते पाहणार आहे की बाबा वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे जे सॉफ्टवेअर आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये मग कोणी सॉफ्टवेअर एखादं सॉफ्टवेअर असेल तर ते कोणी डेव्हलप केलं किंवा ते सध्या कोण यूज करतं किंवा ते सॉफ्टवेअर कोणत्या फॉर्ममध्ये सध्या अवेलेबल आहे किंवा ते कोणत्या फॉर्ममध्ये अवेलेबल होतात किंवा त्याचबरोबर याच्या विविध जे सॉफ्टवेअर आहेत त्या सॉफ्टवेअरमध्ये आपल्याला ॲग्रिकल्चरसाठी कोणतं सॉफ्टवेअर वापरलं जातं तर ह्या गोष्टी आपण या ठिकाणी पाहणार आहे. जी आय एस software, introduction to GIS software. So first one we discuss about the what is mean by GIS. So see this picture, this is the satellite or this is the earth surface or and the space between the satellites and earth is the space. So these satellites, it is used to collect the information or different information on the earth surface and in space. And so this GIS, it is known as the brain of precision farming or precision agriculture. So here precision farming or precision agriculture, it is the same. So it is important for the practical or semester entry exam. The brain of GIS, it is known as the brain of precision farming or precision agriculture is dash dash. So the brain of precision farming or precision agriculture system is GIS. And these GIS softwares or GIS, it is used to collect the information related to the earth surface and the space, related to earth surface and space. So this is the use of GIS. This information or information on the earth surface and space, it is collected by these satellites or GIS through the photography and it also store also its display finally after managing or after analysis of the डाटा. तर आपण पाठीमागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये पण पाहिलं की जी पी एचच्या बाबतीत जी पी एचच्या सहाय्यानं जसं जी पी एचचं वर्किंग आहे तसंच जी आय एसचं वर्किंग आहे. तर जी आय एस काय करतं, जी आय एस जे काही पृथ्वी आणि अंतर या ठिकाणी स्पेशल असं एक शब्द आहे. स्पेशल म्हणजे काय, रिलेटेड टू स्पेस म्हणजेच अंतराळातली जी काय माहिती आहे किंवा पृथ्वीवरची जी काय माहिती आहे ती माहिती कलेक्ट करतं. कोण कलेक्ट करतं, हे जी आय एस कलेक्ट करतं. तर याच्यासाठी जी आय एसमध्ये काय वेगवेगळे सॅटेलाईट वापरले जातात. सॅटेलाईट वापरले जातात. सॅटेलाईटचा यूज करून पृथ्वीवरच्या आणि अंतराळातली काय केली जाते माहिती गोळा केली जाते. म्हणून या जी आय एसला प्रिसिजन ॲग्रिकल्चरचा ब्रेन, मेंदू असं म्हटलं जातं. कारण अंतराळातली म्हणजेच क्लायमेट रिलेटेड किंवा वेदर रिलेटेड डाटा आणि पृथ्वीवरचा रिलेटेड टू सॉईल डाटा असेल, वॉटर कलेक्शन जे डाटा आहे वॉटर रिलेटेड डाटा ते या सॅटेलाईटच्या माध्यमातून आपल्याला भेटतो. पाठीमागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण जी पी एसच्या बाबतीत पाहिलं, जी पी एसचं यूज ऑफ जी पी एस इन ॲग्रिकल्चर सर्वे. तर त्याच्यामध्ये जे काही वेगवेगळे ॲग्रिकल्चरमधले यूजेस होते तर ते सुद्धा या ठिकाणी काय होतात, लागू पडतात. म्हणजे मला थोडक्यात या ठिकाणी काय सांगायचं आहे की जी पी एसच्या सहाय्यानं पृथ्वीवरची आणि अंतराळातली जी माहिती ॲग्रिकल्चरसाठी लागणारी जी माहिती आहे किंवा प्रिसिजन फार्मिंगसाठी लागणारी जी माहिती आहे ती माहिती कोण प्रोव्हाइड करतं, तर हे जी आय एस प्रोव्हाइड करतं. म्हणून या जी आय एसला काय म्हटलं जातं, ब्रेन ऑफ प्रिसिजन फार्मिंग और प्रिसिजन ॲग्रिकल्चर. अँड द सिम्पल मिनिंग ऑफ GIS, it is a tool. It is used to capture, store, update, manipulate, analysis and display the geographical and space related information in the different forms or in the map like a forms is known as the जिओग्राफिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टीम. तर जिओग्राफिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टीम म्हणजे काय, तर पृथ्वीवरती आणि अंतराळातील जी काही माहिती आहे ती काय करायची, कॅप्चर करायची, स्टोअर करून ठेवायची, अपडेट करायची, त्यानंतर त्याचं मॅनिप्युलेट करायची, ॲनालिसिस करायचे आणि डाटा फायनल झाल्यानंतर तो काय करायचा, डिस्प्ले करायचा. परंतु डिस्प्ले कशामध्ये करायचा, मॅपमध्ये करायचा. म्हणजेच मॅपचं एक उदाहरण फॉर्ममध्ये करायचं. तर याला काय म्हटलं जातं, जिओग्राफिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टीम असं म्हटलं जातं. इन सिम्पल लँग्वेज what the GIS means, it is the decision support computer based system, or it is the computer based system. It is used for collect store presenting and analysis the geographical as well as spatial related information. That means related to earth surface and related to space. That means earth related data and space related data. It is collect, it store, after it analyze, present it is known as the geographic information system. That means GIS. So this is about the GIS. या ठिकाणी अजून एक आपल्याला एक शब्द आला बघा, एक तो म्हणजे प्रिसिजन फार्मिंग. सो व्हॉट इज मीन बाय प्रिसिजन फार्मिंग? इन सिम्पल लँग्वेज, प्रिसिजन फार्मिंग मीन्स डू एनिथिंग इन राईट प्लेस, राईट मॅनर, राईट टाईम. इट इज नोन ॲज दी प्रिसिजन फार्मिंग और प्रिसिजन ॲग्रिकल्चर. तर मराठीत किंवा साध्या आणि सोप्या भाषेत प्रिसिजन फार्मिंग किंवा प्रिसिजन ॲग्रिकल्चर म्हणजे अचूक शेती कशाला म्हणायचं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इन केस ऑफ फर्टिलायझर NPK, द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ NPK. सपोज दिस इज अवर 1 hectare land. This land it not contain the same amount of fertilizer in 1 hectare. Some places the NPK is maximum, some places NPK is minimum. So where the NPK is minimum or less in amount in soil or as per the requirement of crop, it is apply in particular place where the NPK is less in amount. It apply in particular place, particular time, particular manner, particular method. It is known as the precision फार्मिंग और प्रिसिजन ॲग्रिकल्चर. म्हणजे ज्या ठिकाणी गरजेचं आहे त्या ठिकाणीच योग्य वेळेस योग्य त्या पद्धतीनं काय करायचं आहे, जे काही इनपुट्स लागणार आहेत ते अप्लाय करायचं. तर त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं, प्रिसिजन फार्मिंग असं म्हटलं जातं. सो दिस इज अबाउट द प्रिसिजन फार्मिंग, जिओग्राफिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टीम. बोथ डेफिनेशन आर इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर प्रॅक्टिकल ॲज वेल एज सेमिस्टर इन थेरी एक्झाम ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह पर्पज. So also in case of objective, the brain of precision farming is known as the GIS or geographical information system. Also long form of GIS, it is also important for semester and practical or theory exam purpose. So this is about the precision farming and geographical information system, that means GIS. Now we study about the different GIS software. The GIS software, it is designed to store the data, it is also recover data, or it also to get back or bring back information, also the manage, also display and analysis all type of geographical as well as the space related, that means spatial data. So the main purpose of this development of different GIS software, the main purpose is the firstly those data is collected, it is stored, after that it is recover, that means it's again get as per requirement, also it manage, also after manage or it is also analysis, the data is displayed in different forms like a map, etc. It is the basic or main purpose of development of GIS सॉफ्टवेअर. म्हणजेच पृथ्वी आणि अंतराळ रिलेटेड जी काय माहिती आहे ती स्टोअर करून त्याचं ॲनालिसिस करून ते रिकवर करून ते मॅनेज करून डिस्प्ले करून जो शेवटी फायनल डाटा होतो तो डाटा वेगवेगळ्या फॉर्ममध्ये प्रेझेंट करणे हा मेन उद्देश लक्षात घेऊन किंवा ठेवून काय केलेले आहेत वेगवेगळे GIS सॉफ्टवेअर काय केलेले आहेत डेव्हलप केलेले आहेत. तर असे वेगवेगळे सॉफ्टवेअर आहेत. दॅट मीन्स द टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेअर, देर आर बेसिकली टू टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेअर. फर्स्ट वन इज दी open sources software, second is the commercial software. In case of now we study about the or we discuss about the open sources software. It is a main software. These open sources software also included the different softwares. These are the grass GIS, GB, SIG. These are the different open sources software, but main software are the open sources software and commercial software. So we discuss about the first one, it is the open sources software. In case of open sources software, first one is the GRASS, that means GRASS, GRASS GIS. GIS means geographical information system software. This software, it is completely GIS software. It is the completely GIS software and it developed by the United States America Corps of Engineers. That means those engineers or engineers in United States Army Force or Army Corps. This software is developed by this engineers. Those are working in the United States Army Corp, and this software, it is the completely GIS software. Next one is the GVSIG software. It is written in Java. Also it is run on the Unix, Mac OS X and Windows. So this GVSIG, this software is run on the Linux, Unix, Mac OS X and Windows software. Also third one is the ILWIS, that means the integrated land water information system. It is important for objective purpose for semester and theory as well as the for the practical exam. Write down the that means short form or give the long form of the ILWIS, integrated land water information system. It is the integrated image software. That means it is useful to image analysis. This data, it is this software, it is used for the image analysis. So next one, JUMP GIS, also known by the Open JUMP, that means Jump GIS and Open Jump software. Here JUMP means Java Unified Mapping Platform. It is long form, also important for practical exam purpose. Java Unified mapping platform. This software it is available or open on the desktop of GIS, OpenJump, SkyJump, DJump, Cosmo all emerged from Jump. That means this Jump GIS software it is available in the form of GIS, OpenJump, SkyJump, DeepJump, and another Cosmo. Those Cosmo softwares are emerged from Jump. Jump means Java Unified Mapping Platform. So this is about the Jump software. Next software is Map Windows GIS software. It is a free desktop application software also, and it is a programming components. Map Windows GIS software it is a free desktop application and programming component software. Next one, QGIS software. QGIS software means Quantum Geographical Information System. It is also important for practical semester and practical semester exam purpose. The long form of QGIS. QGIS Quantum Geographical Information System. So this software is run on Linux, Unix, Mac OS X, and Windows. Next one, SAGA GIS software. That means Saga GIS software. Here SAGIS means System for Automatic Geoscientific Analysis. Also the long form of this SAGA it is important for practical and exam. So this SAGA GIS software it is the hybrid software. It is the hybrid software. This developed by the combination of different or another software. So it is the unique. This Saga or SAGA GIS software it is a unique application programming interface. It includes the unique application programming interface, and it is also fast growing set of geoscientific method and bundle in exchangeable module libraries. So this is about the SAGA GIS software. SAGA GIS software means System for Automatic Geoscientific Analysis Geographical Information System software. It is the hybrid software. It is developed by combination of different GIS software. Also, it included the application programming interface, and it is a fast growing software or fast growing set of geoscientific method related to Earth surface. So this is about the SAGA software. Next one and last one is the open source software is UDIG software. UDIG software it also includes the application programming interface and source code. That means Java is available. That means in Java it is also available. So this is about the open sources software. Next one, our second types of software it is the commercial software. In this commercial software, first one is the Autodesk. Autodesk. This Autodesk software or having products are the interface and this main AutoCAD software. This Autodesk software having product or it is the interface software with the main AutoCAD. This means that means AutoCAD software it is mainly used in Autodesk software, and the packaging including the map 3D map, topo sheet, and map guides. So these are the different products are included in the Autodesk. The products are the map 3D, topo base, and map guides. These are the product of Autodesk, and in Autodesk, the main software is the AutoCAD. Main AutoCAD software is also the product or interface of the Autodesk. Next one, Bentley system. Bentley system, it products, it is the interface with main micro station. So main micro station software, it is micro station software, it is the main in the Bentley system, and as having products or it includes, that means Bentley system, it will include the Bentley map and Bentley map view. So this is the product of the Bentley system. In Autodesk, main software is the AutoCAD, and in Bentley system, main software is the MicroStation software. So next about the ENVI. ENVI having long form environmental for visualizing image. It is important for practical and exam. Give the long form of ENVI. ENVI means environment for the visualizing image. So this is utilized or used for the image analysis and development of image and hyperspectral analysis. That means for the image analysis and image development, this ENVI software, that means environment for visualizing image software, it is used. After that, next one, ERDAS, image by ERDAS INC, that means ERDAS image software. ERDAS image software having long form ERDAS, Earth Resources Data Analysis System. Earth Resources Data or Data Analysis System. So this is the long form of ERDAS. It is the long form of ERDAS or ERDAS, and its products including the Leica photogrammetry. Here photogrammetry means the use of photography, in surveying and mapping. In surveying and mapping, to measure the distance between the object. That means suppose this is the Earth surface and this is the satellite. To measure the distance between the object, that means from satellite to object, or distance between Earth to satellite or any object on the Earth surface, it measured by the photography, or it measured by the photography, it is known as the photogrammetry. That means it does include the product or product included Leica photography suite, also ERDAS, ER Mapper, ERDAS, ECW oblique JP2 SDK. Here ECW is the file format also, and it is these softwares are used throughout the entire mapping community. Including the GIS, remote sensing, photogrammetry, and image compression. And also another product is of ERDAS is the ERDAS Apollo. So these are the different products or submain software of ERDAS image software. After that, next one, ESRI software. ESRI software, it's included product ArcMap, ARC Map, ARC GIS, ARC SDE, ARC IMS, ARC Web Service, and ARC GIS Server. So these are the products which are included in the software ESRI. And for agriculture purpose, ARC GIS software is used. It is also for a different civilian for different purpose. But for agriculture purpose, ARC GIS it is used. This software used for agriculture purpose. Next one, Next software is Integraph. Integraph included the G technology, Geo Media Professional, Geo Media Web Map, and add-on products for industry sector as well as the photogrammetry. That means here earth related software are included in the Integraph. Next one is the Mal-Info by Pitney Bowes software. So this software, it is available or they include the powerful desktop GIS map info professional, and is enhanced with many plugins including the map info, drive time for route analysis, map info engine 3D for 3D and statistical analysis, and map info map marker for geocoding. That means here three main products are included in the Mal-Info by Pitney Bowes software. Here first one is the Mal-Info drive time software for the route analysis. That means to determine the route, to estimate the route, that Mal-Info drive software is used. Also next one, Mal-Info engine 3D. It is used for the 3D and statistical analysis. It is used for the 3D and statistical analysis. And third one, that is the Mal-Info map marker. It is used for the geocoding. That means the collect the information related to Earth surface, and it is expressed in code format. So these main three softwares are included in the Mal-Info by Pitney Bowes software. And after that, next one or last one software, it in the commercial software is the Smallworld software. This Smallworld software, it is developed by the Cambridge and England. That means the Smallworld Inc software, it is developed in England, and Smallworld software, it is also developed in Cambridge. That means Cambridge and in England, the Smallworld software is developed, and it is purchased by General Electric. It is mainly used or firstly used by the large utility for communication and in communication company. The communication companies use this Smallworld Inc software for the communication purpose. Like that, our this topic GIS, introduction to GIS software, it is completed. Thank you.